Alright, so it is LEGO release day and I am racing to get ready right now because I just got a tip that a LEGO set that I really want is on a deep clearance at a grocery store near me, and I'm gonna go check it out. So I was already gonna go to the LEGO store today because it is release day, but I'm scrambling to get ready because I wasn't gonna leave for another hour, but I don't want to miss out on this possible deal if I haven't already. I actually left the house so fast that I forgot to grab my breakfast, but that's okay because we're on a LEGO mission. Alright, I've just arrived at a real Canadian Superstore location, and the first thing I'm going to do is head to the toy aisle because this is where I hear that the LEGO Botanical Garden set is on sale for only $35, which is 65% off what it should be. I'm basically running back here because this was posted 2 hours ago, and somebody may have already beaten me to it. Alright, here's the LEGO aisle here, looking for friends, where LEGO, oh man, you guys, it looks like somebody, there it is, the Friends Botanical Garden. We've got an empty shelf here. Oh man, that sucks. Editor Brad here. At first when I saw that they didn't have the botanical sets in stock, I was kind of bummed because that's what I had driven all the way for. But then I noticed something almost arguably even better. Well, hold up here. Okay, look at this. They've got some LEGO City sets. This one is $19.94, $28 off. This one's $26 off. Holy, that's like half price. We've got more clear out sets here, some Harry Potter ones. Do they have any other? Oh, look at this one. They've got a Batwing, save $26. Oh my gosh. Okay, you have to really look. All these prices are a little bit different. There's a lot of sets on sale. This one saved $20. We've got clear out. A couple save $3, save $4, save $20 again. Oh, okay. All right. They've got a massive LEGO clearance going on here. I had no idea. Look at this. Tons of the sets on the shelves here. These aren't on sale, unfortunately, but they do have some LEGO poly bags here. This one's the Disney Princess one for $5. They've also got this really cool Batman one. This was $6. This is one that I actually don't have, but interesting that they just threw the boxes on the shelf here. They've also got this LEGO City Space Mission set. They've got some Jurassic Park on pretty deep clearance as well, like 65% off. We've got lots of LEGO Ninjago sets. All the sales seem to be a little bit varying. Some are just a little bit of money off. Some are a significant amount off. You really have to check each price tag because it does look the same here. They've also got a bunch of Mario sets on sale, but I would never buy those even if they were free. So at this point, when I started realizing how good this clearance was at the Real Canadian Superstore, I'm buying a bunch of LEGO sets. They didn't really have any sets that I wanted for my personal collection, but they had a lot of really good sets, almost 65% off, that I knew would be perfect for partying out for my Bricklink store. So I started a little pile of sets I was buying. As you guys can see here, I have started a pile of some sets that I will be buying, but here are a bunch of other ones that are still on sale. Probably going to be leaving a lot of these because some of them are just not very good part out values on Bricklink, or ones that I'm just not super interested in based on the discount. But they've got lots of LEGO City, lots of LEGO Friends, honestly a very stock selection. So don't get me wrong, I'm still a little disappointed that the botanical set that I originally came here for isn't actually here because I really wanted that set. But as you guys can see, I still managed to find a really good pile. This turned out to be better for me and better for my business in the long run, and I can't wait to buy these sets. Alright, so that trip did turn out to be a success. I didn't get the set that I originally went there for, but I ended up still friggin' spending $500 on LEGO. So I would say that it was a pretty big success. Now, because that took a little bit longer than I thought it would, I'm going to be a little bit late to the LEGO store. I'm not going to see them open the door, which is unfortunate because I did want to get a photo of that, but I'm going to head there now and see what I can find there. Alright, so as you guys can see, I am now officially back from the store, officially back from the LEGO store release day. What you guys just saw was actually an excerpt from vlog number 30, which is going to be on my channel probably about 2 weeks from the time that you're watching this video. I don't normally take footage from the vlog and put it on the main channel because that's the whole point of the vlog channel. However, because I wanted to make this like as a PSA for all the other Canadians out there to go check their Real Canadian Superstore, I didn't want to just leave it on the vlog for you guys not to see it for 2 weeks because then by then the clearance is probably going to be well over. So you guys saw I had really good luck today going to the Real Canadian Superstore and buying all of these discounted LEGO sets here, like 65% off. I did spend like $500, but it's going to be really good because these ones are going to go in the Bricklink store and they're just going to help continue to fund my LEGO hobby and all the other things that I do. So I wanted to make sure I put these clips out here so you guys could see the amazing deals that the Superstore had right now. So if you wanted to, you guys could have a chance to go get them as well. Of course, you guys, I filmed a lot of content today. Not only did I film this part for the vlog, which is going to go on my vlog channel in about 2 weeks, but I also filmed 2 full full tours of the LEGO store for the March 1st release, which are already out on my channel. You guys can go check those out if you want to. And if you guys want to see the full vlog, definitely check my vlog channel in about 2 weeks. I will have all the footage that you just watched here, plus some bonus footage that you didn't see, just kind of taking you on the rest of my day here doing all the LEGO stuff, because release day was absolutely crazy. However, in the meantime, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. If you did enjoy, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe. And I will see you all here in the next video. And of course, don't forget to check out the vlog channel for this clip in 2 weeks. But anyway, until then, I'll see you guys soon.